Let me introduce to you a binary and speculative trading platform, an innovative platform for smart investment. And the good part is the interface, the deposit, everything is very, very simple. So I'll walk you through on this double trading platform where you can trade binary options and you can deposit with as low as $10 to begin trading. Disclaimer: this video is created strictly for educational and informational purpose only. So now to get started with this platform, let me walk you through the interface and you can see how seamless and how user-friendly the interface is. So you can see features of the platform. We regularly improve our platform to make your trading comfortable and safe. User-friendly, integrated signals, the trading indicators, support system, support 24/7, bonus program, participate in tournaments and giveaways for traders to get bonuses. Deposit and withdrawals, various deposit options and fast withdrawals of fund. The minimum deposit is $10. You can see start trading. You can even start with a demo account to figure it out and get familiarized with the platform. You don't even need to sign up before you can use the demo account. But if you want to make real money, you have to use a real account where you have to deposit at least $10 to begin trading. So if you want to start with a demo account, you just click on this try demo and you can start using the demo account. So when you are ready, you fund and start using the real account. So you see, grow your capital by making the right trading predictions. Will the price go up or down? Predict price movement of a trading asset and place a trade. Try it for free. Use a demo account. So you see, select an asset, monitor the charts, place a trade, and get the results. So this is what people are saying. These are the reviews so far from this platform. So that's it. So you can download the app using Google Play Store or on iOS devices. So you can see, how do I learn to trade? Sign up and start practicing on free demo accounts. It's just like retrading. Expect virtual funds are used. So what is the trading platform and what is it for? A trading platform is a software solution that allows you to perform trading operations using various financial instruments. You will also have access to essential data such as asset quotes, real data, market options, and all of that. What is the minimum deposit? We already mentioned that $10. Are there any deposits or withdrawal fees? No, the broker does not charge any deposit/withdrawal fee. So that settles it. Now let me log in and go right into the platform and let's see what stuff. We are going to be doing some real trading here so that you guys can see how it works. So to get started with this double trading platform, I'll be dropping the registration link in the description box of this video or in the pin post in the comment section. And also you can scan the QR code you will be seeing on this video. Like, you will see the QR code displayed. You can scan it to sign up and start trading. So once you sign up, this is the interface that you have. Then you can come to this fourth option here. You see analytics, stop, deposit, withdrawal trades. For that, to deposit for the first time, click on this deposit and select which currency you want to use in depositing. TRC20 USDC or TRC20 USDT. So you have the options of depositing. And also for the withdrawal, same thing, either USDT or USDC TRC20. Same as how you deposited. So after you're done depositing, come to this analytics logo. And this is what the trading interface looks like. So to begin trading, you come to this analytics icon here. Then you select if this market want to go up or it's coming down. You can choose from any of their currencies from here. You can see we have the FX, we have crypto, we have commodity. So you can choose any of the trading pair from here. And also you can use any of this timer, either 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, any one that you are convenient with. And from this investment part, you enter the amount you want to use to enter a particular trade. So after you must have set your timer, if it is 1 minute or if it is 5 minutes or if it is 1 hour, then you can now enter the amount. Maybe it is 2% of your capital or 1% of your capital or 10%, any amount at all you can enter. Then this up means you are predicting that the market is going up. The trading pair that you selected, you are predicting that it's going up. This down means the market is coming, like the market is coming down. So that's how it works. And you get instant results depending on the time frame that you selected. So now I'm going to be doing some live trade now, and let's see how that goes. So this is BTC OTC prediction, and I'm on 1 minute timer. Let me reduce to 1%. So from this 1 minute timer, I want to predict the market movement for BTC. So I'll predict up. I've selected up and I've entered the market with this prediction under 1 minute for the sake of this video. So I'm using 1 minute. So I want to, let's see how long it will do within this 1 minute, and we all are going to see the results together. So I'm waiting. So you can see the entry points, the arrow from the entry point of this or of the entry that I entered. You see, so any market movement from that arrow upward, that means I'm in profit. But any market movement from that arrow downward, that means it's a loss. So that is how it works. So you see the timer, it's now on 8 seconds. Let's see, almost time. Okay, that was a win already. So you can see that prediction was right. So now we can go again to see the market movement. I'm using BTC prediction. I'm trading on BTC. You can use any pair that you're comfortable with. For myself, I'm using BTC. So that's it. So now I'm predicting BTC. Okay, I'm predicting BTC downward movements. So let's see how this one goes. This is I chose down, like from the charts, from the candlesticks movement. That is what I'm using to predict actually. So I'm looking at the candlesticks, the way these candlesticks are moving. So that's what I'm using to predict the BTC movement. So let's see. We are already in profit, but the timer is yet to conclude. So until the timer concludes, you cannot get your rewards, your returns. Okay, remember you can always choose from any of the trading pair. You don't have to use BTC. For me, I'm just so that's another profit added. So now I'm waiting a bit again. I will take one more trade to see to make you guys understand how this really works. Firstly, you can change your trading pair when you click on this drop down arrow to switch between currency pair and crypto. Then you can use the timer 1 minute or 5 minutes or 1 hour or even 4 hours. Then from the investment, you can select how many percent of your capital you want to use to enter the trade. From up or down, you select which one. So the next trade I'm selecting up. I'm looking for a nice entry. Oops, it's already up. So now I'm gonna take one more trade to see to make you guys fully understand. So while waiting, I'm trying to figure out the entry, the next movements before I will enter the trade. Remember, you can deposit with as low as $10 to get started, and with as high as any amount you want to make money from. So you predict either the market is going up or the market is coming down. That's how the prediction works. You predict the market movement and you see instant results as per prediction, as you are seeing on my screen here. So I want to predict. Let me enter one more trade and see. Yeah. So if you're here to like or share this video or subscribe to this channel, please do like. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. And also you can use the QR code displayed on this screen to get started on this double trading platform, where you can start predicting the market and make money from it. So you can scan the QR code on the screen, showing on the screen, to register, or go to the description box or the pin post in the comment section to sign up. You can use the demo account to practice, and you can just move straight to the real account by depositing any amount you can afford, but not less than $10. So that's how it works. So let's see if I can take one more trade here. Let me go up. Let me predict up. So we are going up, but let's see within the 1 minute. BTC is very funny. So the timer is what you are going to be using to either make profits or I'm using 1 minute, so that's why the trade is faster like this. 1 minute is a quicker. So you can do this within a couple of minutes in a day, and you can make money from it. So that's how this OTC market prediction works. Set your timer, set your investment amount, then predict either the market is going up or down, and you get instant results. Go to the withdrawal page, withdraw profits, keep trading, and keep making money. It's as simple as that, actually. That was a quick win also. So that was a straight 3 wins trade. Yeah. So you can see how simple and how seamless this works. So you guys can get started, and don't forget, trading also comes with risk. Trade with caution. This is not a financial advice. Just make sure you are trading with caution. So let's go again the fourth time. Let's see the fourth trade. The first 3 trade was a win. So let's see if we can do one more trade. Let's just see. Okay. Still on BTC, 1 minute. Let's see. Let me go up. So we are monitoring this trade together. So let's see. So this is how you wait till the timer stops, and you get your results. Okay, that was a win too. That's the fourth trade. Should we do one more trade to make it 5 trades? So those trades are win. They are win because I'm using 1 minute timer, so it's a quickie. Let me see the next direction. Okay, I'm trying to check the next direction in the next 1 minute. The way BTC is moving, let's see. Okay. Okay, let me see. So let's just see if I can get an entry from here again. So let's see if we can take the 5th trade in this video for BTC on 1 minute time frame. Oh, think I missed the entry for this one. Okay, I will have predicted up for this one. Let's still do up and see. So let's see what this the outcome of this fifth trade will be. I predicted up for BTC for this fifth trade. The first four trade was a win under the 1 minute BTC OTC prediction market. So let's see if we can win this one too. Okay. Oh wow, that was a straight 5 wins. So you can see that was a straight 5 wins. From here, I can still predict BTC is going up again because this trend hasn't stopped. So, but yeah, I hope you guys understand how to use the how to trade with this on this double trading now. The OTC market predicts and predict the market movements, and that's it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.